Hi everyone, happy Friday. Today I'm in my living room, going to do a tour of it, but before we do that, I just want to have a little bit of fun. You know, I was thinking back on what my first job was, and I was also wondering what everybody else's first job was, because it's kind of interesting to hear what people's first jobs were. Now, I'm not going to tell you mine right now. I want to see if you can kind of guess it before I tell you, because I will tell you at the end what my very first job was. But down in the comments, I would just love to hear what your first jobs were. Now, also, before we get started here on the living room tour, I want to show you my entryway really quick, because I'm going to be doing a couple projects in there I'm going to show you, and then we will head back in here into the living room. And I also want to get your opinion on the chairs or this bench that I want to use by my secretary hutch. So let's head on over into the entryway. Okay, so what I'm planning on doing here in my entry is with my hall tree here. This was my grandmother's, and I think I finally decided I'm going to go ahead and paint it. I know I said I never would, but I think I'm going to paint it just like I did my dining room furniture. And this little table here, I don't think it looks good in here with the green, because this is the rug that was in my kitchen because I got a new one, and I think this rug looks great with the brick treatment that I did here. So I am wanting to paint that green table, and I'm gonna do it a blue color. So we got Colby over here, decided to join us. Let's go ahead and head into my living room. Okay, and I just wanted to kind of show, I had a few people saying not leaving the doors open because it might not be enough room, but as you can see, there's plenty of room to walk here. So I have left everything open for now. And I placed this chair here, and this is one that used to be at my kitchen desk, but you know, I don't think I really like it here. I'm not sure, because it is black. I'm just not sure about it, and yeah, I don't know. My second option here is this bench. This was my mother's. This is a metal bench down here, and my mother actually put this cover on here, and she was a sewer, so it's kind of sewed. It's got some stains. It doesn't go with anything in here, so I was thinking about recovering it with this material. This is what I recovered that chair with that I put in my kitchen at the desk area. So I'm thinking about doing that. Still not sure. That's option 2. Option 3 is this chair here. I got this chair many years ago free at a garage sale. It was sitting out there for free because the rattan seating was missing. So this is just some 1/4 inch plywood that I made a pattern and cut it with the little notches, and I just took some material and stapled it on. So this is my third option. So I don't know, what do you think? Number 1 with a black chair, number 2 with a bench when I recover it, or this chair here, number 3. You know, let me know what you think. I'm kind of leaning towards the bench. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the whole living room here. Now, here on my coffee table, I just added this rooster here. This is a thrift store rooster that I got many years ago, and I painted him that way. I kept everything on the mantle the same. And over here, I brought in one of my plants here. And I just have my basket over here. And also, I decided to decorate underneath these end tables. I've never done it before. On this side, I just put a few of my books and this little metal ball with a touch of greenery. And over on the other side, I put a little tray with some little decorative natural balls in there. Be kind of cute. I like to keep the tops empty because they're not very big, and it will set a book or a drink on there. And over here on this little table, I just added a few items, not too much. Add just a touch of greenery over there. And I brought my book back out here. And then I did a little bit different decorating here. I kept my stacked faux books here with the watch faces and the keys. Then I added these three pieces with some greenery, and I still have the same piece up there. And this, I was over by my hutch, secretary hutch, but I decided just to put this over here, and that is not a real plant. I have 4 real plants in here. Let's step back here and check it out, see how it looks all together. All right, so this room is ready for me to start adding some spring touches to it. I'm not sure when that's going to happen. And over here, as you can see, this is how it flows into the dining room. Well, Bailey wanted to get back into my lap here, so we're going to let him sit here. So that is it for the video. Now, Monday, I'm going to promise. I promise. On Monday, my video of my laundry room will be up and running. I went to Home Depot this morning and I got some black spray paint. So I'm going to be getting those knobs spray painted probably tomorrow. And I have a couple more things I want to do in there. Plus I'm going to be doing laundry tomorrow. So I figured I can get the room all cleaned up, have it all decorated, maybe do a little bit of decorate with me in there on the countertop. Then you get to see everything. So I should have that all ready by Monday. Okay, so I did promise that I would say what my very first job was. My very first job was at a funeral home. Yeah, I did it part-time just for a couple of months. I did, and I was actually not really a secretary, but I sat at the front desk, and my duties were answering the phone, and I had to take payments. They would have people who came in and made payments, you know, for their funeral expenses for the future. And I also had to set up flowers around some of the caskets, which I didn't really like doing that. You know, there was one day that everybody was gone, and I was there all by myself. It was a really windy day, and the building was making a lot of noises, and there was 2 caskets in there that the flowers came, and I had to go in there. So I'm all by myself, and I had to set the flower arrangements on the caskets, and they were open. And I didn't really enjoy doing that. I was 18, so it was kind of not anything I would want to get into, but it was an interesting first job. So that is it for the video today. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday for my laundry room tour. Bye for now.